Have you ever wondered how vast the universe really is? The answer to that question might be more mind-boggling than you ever imagined. Let's dive into the first mind-blowing fact about the universe's size. It's estimated to be around 93 billion light-years in diameter. Now that's a number that's hard to wrap your head around, isn't it? Let's break it down. A light-year is a measure of distance. It's the total distance that light, moving at a staggering speed, travels in 1 year. And how far is that, you ask? Nearly 6 trillion miles. That's right, 6 trillion. This astronomical number serves to illustrate the unimaginable scale of our universe. It's so vast, so expansive, that it almost defies comprehension. It's a place of endless mysteries, of stars and galaxies beyond count. So if you thought your morning commute was long, imagine traveling across the universe. Did you know that space is completely silent? Yes, you heard that right. Unlike Earth, with its bustling cities, rustling leaves, and melodious bird songs, space offers a symphony of silence. But why is that? Well, it's because space is a vacuum. It's devoid of atmosphere, weather, and breathable air. In our daily lives, we're surrounded by sound, a phenomenon that occurs when sound waves travel through a medium like air, causing molecules to vibrate. This vibration reaches our ears and voila, we hear it. However, in space there are no medium, no air molecules to carry these vibrations, hence there is no sound. It's a stark contrast to what we're used to, isn't it? This silent symphony, this tranquil void, is what makes space so uniquely fascinating and mysterious. So if you're looking for some peace and quiet, space might be the place for you. Can you imagine traveling at the speed of light? It's an almost inconceivable concept, isn't it? Light moves so swiftly, it's almost as if it's in multiple places at once. The speed of light, to put it into perspective, is approximately 186,282 miles per second. Yes, you heard that right. Miles per second, not per hour. What does that mean in real-world terms? Well, if you could somehow harness this speed, you could zip around the Earth 7.5 times in a single second. That's faster than the blink of an eye, faster than a lightning strike. This fact underscores just how mind-boggling the speed of light truly is, and how vast the distances it can cover are. So next time you're stuck in traffic, just remember you could be traveling at the speed of light. So what have we learned about space today? We've delved into the unfathomable expanse of the universe, which dwarfs our human comprehension. We've touched upon space's silent symphony, a realm where sound waves cease to exist. Lastly, we've marveled at the incredible speed of light, the cosmic limit that even time respects. These facts only scratch the surface of the wonders of space, so keep looking up and keep exploring, because who knows what we'll discover next.